yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have big doubts, not what I'm about.
Good morning, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing another mixture of a couple of different things. I got on the G8, before I take it to the paint shop, the passenger side strut is making a noise, so I got to take that back off and see what's going on with that. And I'm going to clean up the El Camino, so that's what we're going to be doing in this video. Hopefully I can get the El Camino cleaned up and looking good, and I can do a good walk around of how the car actually looks with everything together. All right, let's get started. Okay, got the bolts loose, getting ready to take the struts off, or this one strut off. And I'll tell you what I did. I figured the shop was packed, so that's why I didn't want to bring the car over here to get anything done with it. I didn't want to have to move everything around, but you see we got the SRT Jeep in here. What's going on with this is it keeps going into limp mode after we put a transmission in it, so we're trying to figure out what's going on with that. As you see, the work to the Mustang race car has already been started. The old front end is off, and the new front end getting ready to come back on. So okay, got the strut out, and now I gotta get my spring compressors and take this off.
Perfect.
Just testing out the G8. Okay, you saw where I basically focused on cleaning up the El Camino today. I put some videos of a walk around in it. I got it clean. It can be cleaned a lot better, like the bumpers can be polished and things like that. I didn't do that. I just did a basic wash, clean, vacuum out the insides. I didn't put any kind of leather cleaner on it or anything. So all that's left to do. The engine, I need to clean up the engine a little bit better. You can see it's a little dirty. I didn't get a chance to do what I need to do with that, but overall I cleaned it up pretty good. I put the little rubber piece inside of the spring on the G8, and I took the G8 down the road to test it out. I did a little pull with it, not a full pull, but just a little pull with the G8. So, all right, thank you for watching. Click that subscribe button if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video.